Asamondo. Today we're going to talk about characters and settings, but we're also going to take it a little farther. We're going to talk about plot, or we're going to talk about the problem and the solution in a story. Okay? That's what we're going to focus on today. But it all revolves around the characters, okay? And the setting, mirror my actions. Characters are the people, the creatures, or the animals in your story. Mirror my actions. The characters are the people, the creatures, or the animals in your story. Mirror my actions. The setting is where the story takes place. Mirror my actions. The setting is where the story takes place. Now, last time we were together, we took a look at this first one here. You want to play basketball on the playground, remember? Today, I'm going to be on here a very short amount of time. You're just going to do the same type of activity for today. In your packet, you have this paper here and one of these. Get out one of these or any piece of paper. I really don't care. All right? And I'm going to read you the story. Mom bought you the coolest new toy for your birthday. You are so excited to play with it. You open the box and find out it is broken. You begin to cry. The questions are, what is the problem? What are some different ways you could solve the problem? Now, first of all, we're going to talk about the characters and settings. Mom bought you the coolest new toy for your birthday. Who are the characters? Right? This is going to go back to a lesson we had earlier this year on point of view. You need a new car. You need to buy a car here. You. When the author is talking to you, does anybody remember? That is second person. Second person. All right? So this is in second person. The author is writing a story to you. So you are one of the characters. You are one of the characters for your birthday. You are so excited. You open the box and find out it's broken. You begin to cry. That's written in second person. Right? There's one other character, Mom. Right? Mom. Mom is the character. All right? What is the setting? Now, this is a tricky one. Because setting is not only the place, it's also the time. Time is a setting. So if it's real late at night, that's part of the setting. I was at home and it was late. Those things are about the setting. This happens to be your birthday. It's your birthday. That's part of the setting, right? You're probably at home. It didn't say that, but we can infer that, right? Mom's there, you're there, it's your birthday. Most likely you're at home. So you were at home and it was my birthday. Those are the settings. They combine to make the settings. Now, in first grade kindergarten, we don't worry about that, right? But in second grade and third grade, we start to think about that. That has a lot to do with the story, right? If it wasn't your birthday, you wouldn't be getting the coolest toy in the world, right? It'd just be another day. It's your birthday is a very important part of the setting, right? It helps the story happen. Without that, we wouldn't have a story. All right, so here's what you're going to do. Mom bought you the coolest new toy for your birthday. You are excited to play with it. You open the box and find out it's broken. You begin to cry. On this piece of paper, you are going to write down what is the problem and write it in sentences. The problem is, and then you're going to write a solution. Now, everybody's just going to look different, okay? How would you solve the problem? What would be the best way to solve the problem, right? Write your ideas down on this. I'm excited to see what you guys come up with. This should be pretty fun, all right? All right, all this should be in your packet. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Enjoy this weather today. It's not going to last forever. All right, be outie.